how to turn off notifications on your Apple Watch. So with your Apple Watch, you're mirroring everything from your phone to your watch, specifically what you want or don't want. It's very easy to go through and customize that, but you'll also get notifications. So if you want to turn off some of those notifications, all you have to do is go into your Apple Watch app, and you want to go to notifications at the top part here. And then you want to scroll down, and as you see, you have a lot of options or apps that the watch comes with that are basically on your phone. But what we can do is go through some of the apps that are mirrored from your phone over to your watch and turn those off as well. So what we can do is we can just go ahead and pick one here. What if I didn't want any notifications from DraftKings here? All I would have to do is toggle this off. And from that point forward, I'll stop getting notifications from that specific app. You can go through and really pick which ones you want. As you see, I'm just kind of turning a bunch of these off. And that's it. It's super simple and super easy to navigate and customize what notifications you want turned on or turned off on your Apple Watch. And that's it.